I always joke, I'm like a walking commercial for SVSU. They like laid the foundation for everything. Because going in, to put it nicely, I'd say there weren't a lot of people that probably would have bet on me. I had zero direction. But because SVSU is so small, I had professors notice that I might have some potential. Dick Thompson, the Dean of Student Affairs, took an interest in me and saw potential in me and pushed me, taught me that, you shouldn't give up on someone. So he didn't give up on me, which is really one of my core tenets as a leader, trying to make sure, everyone has a rough day, everyone might not perform on everything, but don't give up on people. I wanted to be a high school history teacher, so I became president of the student government. That introduced me to Eric Gilbertson, who I just really admired. Based on my interactions with him, I was like, I want to go into higher ed administration, and he's got a law degree, so I'll do that. Now, once I got to law school, I realized I really liked practicing law and being an attorney. Look, my number one job I view is to be a great father and husband. I've partnered with my wife that our two kids are thoughtful, caring, inclusive people in the world. That would be the biggest impact I could ever have on the world. From a career perspective, I view my role really as to help connect all 9,000 coworkers to our purpose and strategy and create an inclusive culture so that people have meaning and feel joy when they come to work. And as an industry right now, we're going through a lot of change. Climate change is real and is impacting the world, but everyone needs light and heat, and we provide both of those to most of Michigan. And part of my role is to bring policymakers and stakeholders together to try to solve those problems. So I hope I have an impact. I mean, it sounds a little corny, but on the world and figuring out how we can do that, how we can decarbonize the system and deliver energy to everyone in a safer and much cleaner way. SVSU took a chance on me. There were people there that cared about me. I made deep personal connections with lifelong friends, and then teachers and administrators who, again, took a chance on a kid who wasn't very guided, didn't have a lot of direction, and it worked out. I'm just deeply grateful for all that SVSU gave to me.